about to complete within 2 weeks, and ultimately our Supreme Court Chief Justice also stated that the Constitution and the people are supreme. Constitution is of course owned by people, so people are supreme. So in that way, my yatra, a lot of things I had occasion to study, and certain books also I have written, and very good response from English books. Of course, Rajvan books are distributing free of cost, and some other books also. Delhi people recently on emergency and other things, my 2 books are published. Very good response for that, and people are good at heart in Goa. They are God-fearing also, and the communal harmony among the people has to be appreciated especially. And my experience as a governor here, about 4 years. Next month is going to be completed 4 years, and very happy days in my life, and a lot of things, especially the temple concept and the church concepts and Islam mosque concept, everything. I went there, and the cordial relationship existed everywhere, and for the betterment of the nation. Our nation is also, you see, Vishwa Gurusthan is very dear to us in all aspects, and Goa's contribution is also very important and vital. I am extending so through the strength of the villages.
सादरीक नमान करून आयच्या या पवित्र स्थानाक आमचो गोंयचो राज्यपाल श्री पिल्लेजी हांगा ताणें आपणाचे पांय दवरले शेणले वेलेजीन, आनी हे वेलेजीन येता तेन्ना सातेरीचे चरणा फुडे हाडून जो तेणें गोंयभर जी सुख शांती खातीर तो प्रवास तो करता आनी लोकां खातीर तो करता, तेका मनांतल्यान हांव शेणले सगळे लोकांचे आनी ग्रामस्थांचे निमतान तांकां जे हांगा पावल दवरले म्हूण ताका सगळ्या वाटेन तुका देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आनी आय थँक यू सर फॉर युअर philanthropist activities. I am in active politics for many years, but I have seen a very much different governor in the state of Goa, where you are with the people of the state. You help a lot of people who are in need through your noble causes, through your noble gestures. And on behalf of the people of Kuchera constituency, you have a lot of people. I thank you for this gesture, and I hope that you are here to help us all. As the request put forward, there is this committee where there are 12 years Jatra has been from centuries old Jatra. As Honorable Prime Minister always says, the tradition and culture has to be maintained.